Okay, say part 2. Are you ever going to even attempt this? What are you doing? Are you analyzing the situation? Woo! Get the penguin. Get the penguin. Hi. Hi, baby. Aw, you're so smart. Good job. Good job. You don't have to crawl. You can just sit and make raspberries all day. No, you don't want to. What do you want to do? Okay. You do whatever you want. It's not that hard. You can reach Mommy. You can reach Blanky, because you're sitting on it. Hi. No. No hi for Mommy. No hi for Mommy. Why not? Because you're mad because I don't give you toys? No. You still sleepy? You just took a 3-hour nap. You waving bye-bye to your tongue. Is that fun? What are you doing? Look. Do it. You want it. Yeah. Okay. Get it. Oh no! Now you're without a blanket! Now you have nothing to do! See, there's always toys when you're a baby. I just eat my dress. You're gonna have to sit me here naked if you want me to crawl. She's eating her dress in protest because she's stuck. And she doesn't feel like crawling ever. She'll crawl when she wants to crawl. But we're encouraging. Encouraging. Okay, that's what I feel about you are encouraging. No. No. Look. Get the penguin. What are you doing? It's like she doesn't realize I moved her like 3 inches closer to the penguin. Like the penguin's completely in her reach. Her normal reach. Maybe she still doesn't want to play with their toys. Penguin cam. This is what the penguin sees from behind the penguin. It's a penguin cam. Penguin cam. I'm filming from the top of the penguin's head. I'm putting my phone behind the penguin and filming what the penguin sees. This is cinematography at best. Yes, it is, Zoe.
What's it?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Why is she?
Your mommy is the best baby videographer in the whole world. Okay, maybe not in the whole world. But definitely on this side of the house. When it comes down to the two of us. I'm getting hungry. You can reach the penguin. You can get him. He's not that far from you. Yeah. You can get him. Look. Try to reach the penguin. Try to reach him. He's right here. See? Penguin. Try to reach the penguin. Penguin. Oh, kitty. Here, kitty, you come over here. Maybe she'll crawl to you. Hello, kitty. Oh. Ian. That's gross. Did the kitty knock you over? Look though, you're starting to fall on your hands.
You put your hand.
Wow, that's a step. You gonna start crab crawling? Huh? Crab crawl. Crab crawl. Oh, we're over 10 minutes again. Part 3.